We were sent the most amazing robot vacuum mop, and I wanted to start on the floor here where it starts out charging because it has this super cool cat laser mode, which I've never seen on a robot vac. So if you hit that button, there's this little red laser beam that just starts going all over the place. So if you have cats, a whole lot of fun can be had with the red laser. I have the vacuum mop here with me, but I wanted to show you the underside. So this is where it mops, and you do get replacement ones, and then you can just pull these off with the Velcro, put on the fresh ones, and then wash the old ones. So that's super simple. Installing this is really, really easy. These just snap into place. There is an extra one as well. So let's fill it up with water. You just lift right here, and there's two things. This is the deodorizer where you can put essential oil, and then this area right here is for the water refill. So I took that bottle and I filled it up with water, and now we're just gonna squeeze that in here. It would be nice if it had a little bit bigger of a tank, but that's okay. And then you just push that closed, and then over here you can open this, and it's pretty full right now, but if I wanted to add some more essential oils to it, I could. It smells actually really good, so I'm not gonna add anything to that at the moment. So now we're ready to start it doing its job. You can either manually push the button, or there is an app. We call ours Mrs. Meow. And then we can just hit the start right here. And I've set it up so that it's gonna vacuum and mop. I love how it cleans systematically so that it doesn't miss any spots. And you can see where it is wet versus where it's dry. It's not like it leaves giant puddles. So for me, that's really, really important. In fact, it's hard to tell on camera that it's even wet, but it is. I love how it knows how to return to the charger all by itself. It takes its time, but it gets there. Once it's done vacuuming and mopping, it comes back to its charging station. And if you were to lift this up, that's where you're gonna see that bag. And this is where it collects all the dust and debris. What's really cool is it does it automatically. So it goes onto its mode, and then this just automatically filters into there. So I think that's so cool. We've been so impressed with this robot vacuum mop, and I know you're gonna love it as well.